What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got an earlier review of the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2 in the Glow colorway. And not only am I reviewing a pair, but I'm also giving away a pair in your size, so make sure to stay tuned till later on in the video.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
I grabbed this pair on StockX to be my own personal pair and to give you guys an early review. Over the last year, it feels like we've had an influx of YEEZY Boost 350 V2s, and it doesn't really seem like any of them have done anything that different. But it seems like that drought may actually be ending with the release of this brand new sneaker that seems to do something a little bit different. And you can probably tell from the name what that is. It glows, which is pretty cool. But how much does it glow? That's the question. Let's jump into the review to find out. Starting off in the toe of the sneaker and actually covering the entirety of the upper, you've got the standard YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Prime Knit. This time around, the Prime Knit only comes in one color, and that color is bright Volt Green. In my opinion, this is how they should have done the semi-frozens. I think this monochromatic look is so much cleaner than that crazy green, blue, red, and brown sneaker mess that they dropped last year. Just, it didn't look right. The 350 glows still feature the same textured Prime Knit pattern that you find on the Statics, and like the Statics, you've still got that semi-translucent plastic stripe running down the side of the shoe. Of course, the plastic mesh is still see-through, so no matter what color socks you're wearing, people will be able to see them. Running up the center of the shoe, you've still got that signature Yeezy stitching, and of course you've got your rope laces in a matching Volt Green. Moving inside the sneaker, you've got a slightly lighter shade of Volt Green on the sock liner on the heel, and of course you've still got those 3M3 stripes. The insole of the shoe also comes in Volt Green and has the Adidas and Yeezy branding printed on the heel in black. As for fit, the Glow 350s fit just like every other pair of 350 V2s, as expected. That means you probably should go up half a size unless you don't mind a snug fit. I actually wear these shoes true to size and just take out the insoles because I feel like they're a little bit more comfortable that way. That's just totally my own personal preference. For most people, I would say go up half a size. Then moving around to the heel of the shoe, you've got your Yeezy pull tab also in Volt Green. Then moving down on the sneaker, you've got your not so standard 350 V2 midsole. And the reason this midsole is so special is because it glows. The side panels of the shoe have a very distinct and bright glow. However, the outsole and the heel of the shoe still glow, but not as bright. And unfortunately, that's the only part of the shoe that glows, the midsole and the outsole. In the first few concept images that we saw of this shoe, we assumed that the entire shoe glowed because it was all in this glow green color, but I'm sorry to report that it only seems like the bottom half of the shoe glows. I thought maybe the upper of the shoe was glowing when I first tested the shoe, and then I realized that's just kind of residual glow up from the midsole, so the upper is just kind of a standard Prime Knit upper. There's nothing really special about it other than the color. I'm sure that'll disappoint some of you. I was definitely disappointed to find out that only part of it glowed. I really thought that the entire sneaker glowed, and that's what really got me excited about this shoe. But to find out that it's only the midsole and the outsole kind of sucks. But hey, if you're buying the shoe to rave, black lights still work with it great, so there's that. The midsole glow is very bright though. You definitely won't be missed if you've just charged these up in the light and then you walk outside. Just like all the other 350 V2s, you've got a full-length boost midsole, which makes this shoe very comfortable underfoot. And overall, I think the 350 V2 Glow is a good-looking shoe. If you love the colorway and it isn't a deal breaker that the entire shoe doesn't glow, I think this is a great way to go. So if you want to grab a pair of the 350 V2s in the Glow colorway, they drop on May 25th at Adidas retailers. Or you can enter the giveaway down below. Like I said, I'm giving away a brand new pair of Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Glows in your size. All you have to do to enter is click the link at the top of the description. That'll take you to gleam.io. That website will help you enter, and then it also randomly selects a winner at the end of the giveaway. All you have to do through Gleam is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and then for an extra bonus point, you can tweet out about the giveaway. But that's all there is to it. The giveaway went live right when this video went live and ends on May 24th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The winner will then be contacted and announced on my social channels and be able to pick out whatever size they want. So good luck, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.